Hello guys, you are watching the interesting channel called TechMates. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 online app making sites which you can use to make your own apps, put your ads on that and earn a lot of money. So I'm really serious about this one. So I think you should watch this video till the end. So first site which I'm going to tell you is the ThankYouBurn. So the site link is given in the description which you can access directly. So first of all, ThankYouBurn. ThankYouBurn is one of the very famous sites for making apps. The interface is extremely easy. You have hundreds of videos available on the YouTube which you can use to make your own apps. And now the second site is Makeroid. Makeroid gives a very good interface, a technical interface, a professional interface for making apps. So you can use that site too. The main advantage you will get in Makeroid is that you can copy the same screen again and again, and you don't have to make all the screens again. What I mean by this is, if you want to make same screen 10 times like the WhatsApp app, like join group app, so you only make one screen and then copy it by the option of copying. So this is one of the biggest advantage which I found in the Makeroid online app making site. So this is the important one, and you can place your ads and earn a lot of money. Third one is from the MIT Massachusetts Institute of Technology, the big university, gigantic university in US, which has launched this app inventor site in collaboration with Google. They also compose competitions. Learn to code, one of the competition happens at Google, where students are making their own apps, problem solving apps, by which they win a lot of prize. So you can use any of the 3 online sites for apps. So may I repeat for you? Yeah, I will, obviously. So first is ThankYouBurn, second one is Makeroid, third one is App Inventor. In all of them you can put your ads, and you can access the online app making sites, and you can make your own apps and earn a lot of money online. So this video was on the apps which are apps making sites which I want to tell you. So please like this video, share this video, comment and subscribe which topics you want I should make the videos on. This was my first video in English on the channel TechMates. So my all the videos would be in Hindi as well as in English, so that we can reach to a wider audience around the world. So tell me how it was my first video in English. I just tried so that I can improve my speaking skills. So please like the video, share and comment and tell me what I need to improve on. See you in the next one.